Oh, don't go for it. Oh, snap. I had to brake there. All right, we're about to engage FSD here. Speed limit's 17, but for some reason this is showing 30. So car is driving on its own right now. I do have a car behind me. Thinking about getting another camera, guys, to either record in front of me with the wide angle so you guys can see, or behind me. This is supposed to be 2 lanes. I don't know what the car's doing here. Got a red light. I would go here. There we go. Car did that on its own. I did not do any acceleration here. Wonder what the guy behind me is doing, thinking. It's like, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. Coming in pretty confident here on this turn. I can't see if it's a green light or not. Definitely we do have a green light. I thought we were gonna go into that 18-wheeler there. All right, very aggressive, assertive on. I do have the car in, what is it? Full self-driving beta average. Several times it kind of wants to go into the left lane right here where we're at, simply because the markings are kind of washed out here. But since we have traffic here on the left, it seems to be doing a good job of keeping in the lane. It's nice that it just puts that little subtle blinker because it's moving over a little bit. All right, here's the tricky part. Let's see how it does. There's traffic this time. A lot of traffic. Got my foot ready on the brake. If I was driving, I would have taken that one right there. I do have a car behind me. I'm gonna kind of nudge it to go a little bit. See what it does. There we go. Had to give it a little bit of acceleration. Let's see if we can make it on the ramp. We got plenty of time here. All right. So I don't know why the ramp speed is 50. I went ahead and accelerated to about 68 where the cars are going. All right, guys, we're about to exit on Wilson Road, which is a little bit over half a mile. I didn't want to take this exit yesterday, but it's looking like there's not a lot of traffic. All right, we just entered FSD beta. Got this slow vehicle here, so it's not gonna do it. All right, wondering what it's gonna do. Okay, it's changing lanes. All right, so I'm gonna change lanes here a little bit. Yeah, I thought that was gonna be a little difficult. Wonder what the GPS is doing. All right, so we will engage FSD once again. So we're basically going to take a right and then another right to enter the parking lot here. We got to yield. All right, so we got quite a bit of traffic here. All right, it should go now. So for those of you guys wondering, this little camera right here, that's the left repeater camera, which is on the side of the fender. You can do a left turn here, it's protected. All right, that was pretty smooth and it got in the correct lane. Should be moving over to the right lane. I don't know when it's gonna do that. But in 1.6 miles, we're gonna be taking a right turn. I've got it set to increase the speed, go over the speed limit by 5%. You can adjust it by miles or percentage wise. So I feel like 5% is pretty good. All right, car decided to move over to the right lane. Smooth right lane change. Nice, we're going to the right turning lane. So this, I guess it's kind of like the yield. So, I mean, it could take an unprotected right or just wait for the green light, but it looks like it's gonna go. For those of you guys wondering, I do have a 2019 Model 3. It was the first quarter they released the new full self-driving computer. So I think after AI Day, after that announcement, I think it was in April, and then I ordered my car early June, and I got it June 22nd. So we got a clear road here. Car's going, I did not nudge it. All right, a little undecisive there, but we are in the slow lane. Oh, don't go for it. Oh, snap. I had to brake there. The car was not slowing. I tried to give it as much as possible there. Had to slam on the brakes there. We're trying to get on the highway. Yes, we are. Car did not let me get on. Right, that was pretty freaky there. All right, we're getting on the highway. We're just gonna get on and off, basically just to avoid the traffic light. I'll speed this up for you guys. I don't think we're gonna be able to make it all the way to the right, guys. There's a lot of traffic, and it's gonna be nearly impossible. Yeah, no way we're gonna make it. Come on, buddy. So I'm giving it a little gas because I do have a car behind me. Switch over, buddy. Gosh, I'm taking over. All right, this is a weird road here. It's thinking. Got people behind me, they probably think I'm crazy. Putting a blinker to the left. A really weird street. I normally don't even drive through this street. Had to stop at Home Depot and do an exchange. So we're gonna have to do a left turn here. Yeah, right here. So we got a car coming this way and then this one. It did acknowledge them. And they don't have a stop. So let's see if we go. All right, we're thinking. Oh shit. Ugh. All right. That was a fail. All right, so now I know a little spot that I guess I could be testing. All right, here is attempt number 2. Let's see what it does. We need to turn left where that charger came out from. So we need to get on the left lane here. All right, that's good. Yeah, this is a difficult turn here. All right, we got no cars. It should be easy. Yes, it knows where it wants to go. Creeping forward. I mean, go, man. What are you waiting? All right. Definitely does not like that. Slowing it down to 20 miles. We'll do 25. All right, so now I know a little situation where the car doesn't like to turn. And as we get updates, I'll be testing that same location. Hopefully they can improve it. Here's another crazy. Yep. If you're good, buddy. All right, we're gonna. Thank you. We're gonna take over. Definitely got confused there.